The U.S. Supreme Court heard high-stakes arguments today over President Trump's sweeping global tariffs, and several conservative justices raised sharp, skeptical questions about the administration's legal authority. The consolidated cases challenge whether the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, authorizes the president to impose broad import tariffs. Critics say tariffs are essentially taxes and belong to Congress. Several conservative justices, including Chief Justice Roberts, Justices Amy Coney Barrett, and Neil Gorsuch, pressed government lawyers hard, questioning whether Congress ever gave the president power to impose what looks like taxation via emergency law. Solicitor General argued the tariffs are regulatory, not fiscal. But justices compared the case to historical precedents, including Nixon-era tariff examples and the major questions doctrine requiring clear congressional authorization. The stakes are huge. Billions in tariff collection and potential refunds are on the line. Justices even discussed the messy logistics of reimbursing businesses if the tariffs are struck down. This case tests the major questions doctrine and non-delegation principles, essentially whether Congress must clearly authorize major economic policy decisions or whether the president can act unilaterally in an emergency. Markets, industries, and trading partners are watching closely. A court loss could roll back much of the tariff program. A win would cement an expanded executive trade power and reshape U.S. trade policy. The court could take weeks or months to decide. Watch for a ruling that may set a landmark limit on presidential emergency powers. Subscribe to American News and we'll bring the decision as soon as it drops.